How to fix WhatsApp download fail problem, WhatsApp voice message and photos not download problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix WhatsApp download fail problem solved. So guys, here first of all I'm going to show you some points and some tricks that you can apply and fix this kind of problem. So guys, first of all, what you need to do is that you just need to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for WhatsApp. Okay, after searching for WhatsApp, make sure to update your WhatsApp if your WhatsApp is not updated. If your WhatsApp is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your WhatsApp, and then after updating your WhatsApp, you just need to refresh it. You just need to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. If you are not able to download again after updating your WhatsApp, what you can do is that you have to go to file manager on your device. Okay, and then here you have to check whether your storage is available or not. If your storage is not available, then what you can do is that you have to delete some useless photos, videos, or any kind of documents or apps. Okay, you have to delete from your device. After deleting, you can just check it out. The problem might solve, guys. Again, if it is not solved, then what you can do is that here you have to go to your phone settings, and then after going to phone settings, here you have to check whether your device is asking for any kind of update or not. If your device is asking like this type of update, make sure to update your device, and then after updating your device, you have to delete the WhatsApp, and then after deleting the WhatsApp, you have to reinstall it and then log in it. Your problem will be absolutely solved. This is the three things you can apply and fix this problem. But if it is not working again, then please comment me down below. I will definitely gonna help you out personally. Thanks for watching.